Welcome to Machine Era. In today's video, we dive into the world of raw power, where monstrous machines turn logs, stumps, and lumber into neat piles of wood chips in just seconds. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's shred some timber.
The 1.50 horsepower and a robust feed system, the 6,400cc engine shreds wood waste with ruthless efficiency, transforming trash into nature's armor. It takes 2 men to tame this splitter. Built for oversized logs, its raw splitting force speaks for itself. No compromises, no hesitation. A massive workload becomes effortless. With a 760mm rotor and 800 horsepower under the hood, the Eckelbuck Biber 92 RBM slices through timber and turns waste wood into usable mulch precision and power in perfect harmony. Down 2 massive hardwood trunks, the MS 880, forged in steel with 8.7 horsepower and 121.6 cc of displacement, cut through dense timber fast and smooth. Watching it slice hardwood like paper reminded me great tools matter. May not be the most powerful, but it splits firewood more gently and more effortlessly than any man could. Smooth, steady, and precise. Watching it work, it almost feels like the wood wants to be split. Prof's 350 is no ordinary machine. It's a specialist. Built to both cut and split wood, it brings unmatched convenience to the job site. One tool, double the power. P5500 is pure force in motion. It grinds wood into fine mulch, with surprising smoothness, fast, powerful, and relentlessly efficient. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more powerful machines in action. My branches are pruned and brought together in one place. From there, the process continues collected, sorted, and prepared for the next stage. Nothing goes to waste. Hand tools. Moorbark 636 gets it done faster, cleaner, and with surgical precision. This is how real professionals debark wood. Ever wondered how this machine is built? It's what makes splitting wood feel so easy and smooth. Skill is when a man, a steel bar, and a giant log align perfectly. With the MS 462 72.2 cc 6 HP steel, he makes a flawless notch, sets the wedge, and controls the log's fall with precision, calm, precise, and absolutely commanding. True mastery turns risk into ease. A specialist in measuring and cutting, this machine outperforms manual work by delivering unmatched accuracy and efficiency. Mill might look simple, but its performance is on a whole different level. Click the playlist on the right to catch more jaw-dropping moments from the latest video on the left. You won't believe the heart-pounding footage waiting for you.